Pumupunta naman dito yung mga BNS, tapos sinasabi nila, yung anak ko raw, mababa raw yung timbang.
Pag 2 years old, upon monitoring nila Auntie Tilags, Auntie Delma, kasi siya akon, PHW, na nag-aako sa anak ko. Doon pa lang, alam ko na, may something na. Kasi yung kanyang height, yung kanyang weight, lahat yun may hindi siya normal sa isang bata.
Sabi ko, paano na yung niya, kinabukasan niya, mag-aaral pa siya. Dadating pa yung panahon na baka kahit yung pag-aral, mahirap na.
Malnutrition remains one of the most pressing public health challenges in our country. Nearly 1 in 3 Filipino children is malnourished, and 600,000 suffer from wasting. In 2023 alone, over 51,000 children had already developed severe acute malnutrition. Without intervention, these numbers will continue to rise.
For the first time in the world, treatment for severe acute malnutrition is now part of a national health insurance program. Through the new PhilHealth Outpatient Therapeutics Care Benefit Package, up to 100,000 children can now receive comprehensive care, which includes consultation, nutrition support, and provision of medicines and commodities, such as ready-to-use therapeutic food.
The PhilHealth SAM benefit package covers 7,500 pesos for children ages 0 to 6 months, 17,000 for children ages 6 to 60 months.
This milestone ensures that more families, especially in the most vulnerable communities, can get the care they need without financial hardship.
I think it's very useful for us in the communities when you have donors, because UNICEF is really doing a good job. They're actually providing us with an overall assistance, policies in our commodities. Hindi sayang yung tulong na binibigay nila sa UNICEF. You're ensuring that what your donors are giving you, it's translated to us in the ground. The impact shows.
Mahalaga talaga makinig tayo kasi para rin yun sa mga anak natin. Pasalamat tayo, nandito na yan, may tumutulong na.
Ang laking tulong talaga nito sa anak ko. Kahit nag-hesitate ako dati kay doktora, natanggapin to. Ito yung sumusuporta sa anak ko, lalo sa pagkain niya. Simula no, nakita ko nagbago yung timbang, yung height niya. Kasi dati talaga mas maliit dito si Ninyo.
Minsan, hihingi niya talaga kahit nakahiga na kami. Nag-i-improve naman po yung timbang niya. Ngayon, naka-8 na siya dati kasi 7 lang, minsan 6 din lang. Ayun, bibo naman siya. Madaldal.
Nagpapasalamat po kami na meron ng PhilHealth SAM package na makakatulong sa mga anak namin. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa PhilHealth SAM package.